How to enable the controller auto run in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can enable the auto run using a controller in Fortnite. So in order to enable the auto run, you will need to do the following things. So the first thing that you're going to do is click onto your profile picture right here over the right hand side corner, and then from this menu choose the settings gear icon. Now, once you're inside the settings, click onto this controller icon that is present right here on the top. And from here, you can see this option within the input that says controller auto run. So currently this is turned off. So this setting basically turns controller auto run on or off. And when the setting is on, pressing the left stick twice will make you automatically run forward without needing to hold the left stick forward. So to enable this, click onto this right arrow, and once this switches on to the on option, click onto this apply button or press the A key, and then click on back, and your auto run for controller has been successfully enabled for Fortnite. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.